Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part two of this. Just yesterday, I made a video on this. And then I thought, let's add a little bling to it. This is pretty cool. I haven't even looked at it with a black box around it, see what it looks like. But I think it's going to look pretty cool. Object order, backup page. And see how that star looks that way? Well, it's because it's got a double interactive fill tool. And we're going to just do that. So I'm going to hit P, put that in the center of the page. I'm going to go ahead and left click, right click, and I'm going to get the star and I'm going to put it on 8-sided and I'm going to hit P. That's almost perfect size. So we're going to do a double interactive fill tool. So we're going to get the smart fill tool and fill that in that in. That's selected still. So now we can get the interactive fill tool and we'll just swipe across and get your elliptical fountain fill, put that in the center. And then let's make that orange in the center, but then let's make the outside a black. And you get that look, it's too much black. So we can bring that circle out, bring it out a little bit more. And you could, do as little or as much as you wanted to that. Now, click on your other item, get your interactive fill tool. This time, get your elliptical, put it in the center. And I believe I put black here. It's going to make it all black for a second. But when I get the orange and put it in the center, now that black's too strong, so I'm going to make my circle. Well, it's not near it. Well, you know what? I've got orange on the outside and black in the middle. And that way it kind of looks, let's bring our orange in so it's more orange. It kind of makes that star, let me click off of it, kind of three-dimensional looking, like it's standing up on top of the other. Anyway, just playing around. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.